Hi everyone, introducing a new quilted fleece to the range for Autumn Winter 20. It is the Zuzela. It is a polyester micro poplin fabric. It has a water repellent finish and is slightly padded to the body. The arms and side panels to this jacket are a 100% polyester marl fleece. The body, which is insulated with Regatta's Thermoguard insulation to give you that warmth. So the body of this jacket, it is lined with polyester taffeta lining. This piece also has back tab adjustments, so you can adjust it in at the waist with button press fastenings. And this jacket also comes with two lower welt pockets, which are zipped. That covers everything about the Zuzela. Thank you very much for watching.